Well, hello there, friends. I am so glad you could join me today. I'm Elizabeth, and my friends over at First Five California have sent over a super fun game we can play together. Do you want to see it? Here we are. These are my oversized dice. Doesn't it look fun? As you can see, each dice has 6 sides to it and 6 different numbers. Like over here, it has 4 dots. Can you count the 4 dots? Let's try. 1 dot, 2 dots, 3 dots, and 4 dots. That was great. Now for this game, we will roll the dice, and depending on what number it lands on, we will then do that number of an activity. If we roll a 1, we will do 1 somersault. If we roll a 2, we will jump as high as we can 2 times. If we roll a 3, we will hop on 1 foot 3 times. If we roll a 4, we will clap our hands 4 times. And if we roll a 5, we will run in place 5 times. And finally, if we roll a 6, we will do 6 jumping jacks. Sound good? That's great. Now let's play. Grown-ups, if we could make sure our little ones have a clear space to play safely, that would be wonderful. Let's roll the dice. Wow, look at it go. Friends, we got a 2. So we are going to jump as high as we can 2 times. Ready? 1 and 2. Great job. Are you having fun, friends? I know I am. Okay, let's roll the dice. Here we go. We got a 4. Okay, let's clap our hands together 4 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and 4. Great job. You are really good at this game. Okay, let's roll again. We got a 3. Okay, let's hop on 1 foot 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Great job! You are really good at this game. Did you know that counting is also a great way to exercise our minds? Yes, it is so important to work the muscles in our brain. I had so much fun with you all today. Please be sure to join us again at first5california.com for more free resources and games for the whole family. Until next time, goodbye!
Talk, read, sing.
Watch their little brains grow.
It changes everything.
Talk with your baby. Laugh and play. Tell them something new every day.
Go to first5california.com.